Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I am here to show you my Ipsy Glam Plus that came in today. I also received my regular BoxyCharm. I opened them both, did take a look at them. I'm going to share both boxes with you, and I guess, I don't know, I don't want to say compare because the Ipsy Glam box is supposed to be like the Boxy Luxe, so to say, but I'm going to show you both boxes anyway. The Boxy Luxe is not due yet to arrive tomorrow, so I'm just going to show you what I have right now. I have both boxes behind me, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the Ipsy box, or Glam Plus box. So it comes in a box in a hot pink color. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you guys. So it has the little, little packet that they always insert. Ipsy Glam Plus, be free, be true, blah, blah, blah. So they show pretty much all of the products that you get in this box, and it gives you the value of it. So I got, what did I get? I got the Soothing Moisture Mask. So let me show you. It's going to be kind of hard. Hopefully nothing falls off of my lap because I'm not using my table today. But the first product I'm going to show you is from, I guess it's called Avene. There you go. And this is the Soothing Moisture Mask. And it says for sensitive skin, which is actually pretty perfect. Especially when you're trying new products, you want to make sure that they're not so, tough or harsh on your skin. So this is how it looks, which is a full size. The retail value on this product is $26. Daily moisturizer is good, blah blah blah. Mask is powered by spring water, which penetrates into the skin and calms these stressed out complexions, hydrating, blah blah blah. Apply a thick layer to clean dry skin. Don't forget your neck, once or twice per week. So that's pretty good, and I think that this is a minimal maintenance if you only have to use it once or twice a week. So I am going to give it a go, especially because it's not a peel-off mask, and y'all know how I feel about peel-off masks. I cannot stand those things. So I'm going to go into the next thing. I actually got some add-ons as well, so I'm going to show that at the end. So the next product, what am I looking at here? Okay, these are going to be liners. So this is from Ilamasqua. I hope I'm saying it right. Please forgive me if I don't. But it came this little duo of two lip liners. So the first color is Media, and then the second color is called Lust. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. So here is the Lust color, and I'm guessing this is a burgundy or type. I'm going to have to put this box down. So this is the color right here, so I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, it's pretty. It's a nice little light berry color. So that's nice. And let me show you the second one. I'm like making such a mess here. Okay, so the next one, that was Lust. So this color is Media. Ooh, this one looks pretty. This looks like a nice mauve color. Kind of little more brighter. That's this color here. So these are really both pretty colors. Let me just see the value of that if possible. Okay, that's the lip coloring pencil, and they are valued at $21 each. So that's pretty good. All right, let me see if I can pick up my box again. All right, so next product, and this one, I think it makes more sense if I just like put the box back here. So the next product is from Yensa, and this is the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. So this is obviously going to be a primer, and here it is right here. Obviously also a full size. So yeah, let me check here. Okay, yes, value of this product is $35. So this is supposed to give you luminous skin, nourishing ingredients, corrects and blur fine lines, and uneven skin texture, all while giving you a subtle highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so that you can see it. I had tested it earlier when I was at work, obviously. So here is the product right here, and I'm just gonna see how that you know, it feels nice and creamy, and that, but it feels really light. Like once you start working it in, it feels really nice and moisturizing. Doesn't feel, you know, like it has a weight at all on it. It feels pretty weightless. I mean, I'll be honest, I don't really see a luminous glow, so to say. However, it does feel pretty moisturizing, but I guess I'm going to have to give it a try and actually work with it, because right now I'm not really seeing that, so to say. So anyway, so I'm going to go into the next product, and this is, was this an add-on? This was an add-on. Let me go into the next product. Okay, so the next product, this is actually an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Wander Beauty. And this is the Wander Beauty Seascape palette. Let me just try and find that. Yes, Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. Retail value is $25. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. Get rid of the box. So here's the packaging, and here are the colors. So you can see there's 6 colors. Really pretty, this one. Nice, ooh, nice glittery. That's Champagne Harbor. You have Sea Salt, which is a type of rose gold. Let me go ahead and double swipe that. Oh, there you go. Then you have Golden Reef. I'll put that one up here. Okay, and then you have Sea Foam, which is down here. That's going to be like a pale green. That's pretty. Then you have Coastal, which is this dark blue here. Can I put it over here? That's nice. And then you have one matte color, which is right here. That's the color Sand Dollar, and I'm just gonna swipe that. Where can I put it? Right there. So those are the colors. It's a nice palette. I like these you know, shimmer colors, obviously, because they just work so awesomely for the lid. I kind of wish there was at least another matte color instead of just one matte color. It would have been nice if they had added another matte color. So, okay, so let me check. And the last product, I believe this is the last product. This is from Il Makiage. I'm like going crazy, people, here. Okay. So the Il Makiage, this is the Encore Volume and Water Resistant Mascara. Retail value is $25. Waterproof, blah, blah, blah. Long lasting, smudge free, water resistant, blah, blah, blah. It lifts, separates, and thickens your lashes with bamboo, carnauba wax, and vitamin E, blah, blah, blah. Alrighty. Well, we'll see. One of my issues is I definitely have the tiniest lashes. So here's the packaging right here. I've never tried Il Makiage. I've tried their lip products, but not their mascara. So I'm going to open it up. Ugh. Okay, interesting brush. Those little thin brushes. I'll be honest, it doesn't really smell like anything. I'm not really much of a fan of those little thin wiry brushes. Mostly because I hurt myself. But I think it's because I have such few lashes. So when the brush is there, it's like, it's hitting my eyeball. It's hitting, you know, the socket of my skin, you know, so it's like really crazy, but I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna show you the add-ons. So obviously, if you're a member to Ipsy, every first of the month, you are able to add on up to 3 products that you want additional to your box that they send you. So I have asked for, this is the first one. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Peel Pads. And these are supposed to be really great exfoliating pads. It has 20% glycolic acid with rose water. So I am pretty interested. I was interested in this product for quite a while. So I requested that as one of my add-ons. My next add-on is this blush palette from Lovecraft Beauty. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. And it's in 3 colors. I'm just going to show you the colors right here. Oh, it has the little plastic protector thingamajiggy. Ah, there you go. So here are the colors. This color is Oscalia. This one is Delphine, and this one is Alfeda. So yeah, so this is like I'm gonna call this like a blush, like a pink blush. This is more of a tanny color, you know, and this one is more, I mean, this is like a dark peachy color, and this is more like of a brownish type color. So we'll see how it goes. These look completely matte. There's no shimmer or anything like that in the palette. And then the last product, which was my add-on, where is it? Oh, here it is. This is from Estee Lauder, and this is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy, and this is the Paint On Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the color Glow Coral, which I am very fond of corals, so I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it right here for you. Oh, this is so pretty. This is a really nice bright coral. So that's the color right there. Very pretty. I really like these nice coral colors for, you know, spring going into summer. So yeah, so that was my Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the BoxyCharm of this month. Again, this is not the Boxy Luxe. This is the regular BoxyCharm. So obviously they have the same card with the products. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you. First product, and I actually have been using this. I used it today. So let me see. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is also a blush palette. This is a blush trio, and $22 is the retail price. So here is the blush trio right here, and I actually like this one a lot. I just really like the colors. They look really, really pretty, and on the back it says fair light, so this is going according to your skin tone. These colors I really enjoyed. Today I am actually using these two colors here, which is Paraíso, Paraíso, jeez, whiz, and Scorcher. So I mixed these two together and I used it, and I think it's really, really pretty, and it gives you this nice luminous finish. I mean, I am wearing a little bit of highlighter, but the blushes by themselves are really pretty, so I do really like this palette. The next product, and I was wearing this today as well, this is from Dose of Colors, and this is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and this is in the color Truffle, which is a very, very neutral color. So I'm just gonna swatch it right there, and I really, really like this color as well. Very nice and neutral, everyday lippy that you can use. So yeah, so the next thing, I did not try this though. This is from Ciate London. This is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and this has a retail value of $22. This is in the color Cupid. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so that, ooh, okay. Ooh, I don't hate you. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. I like this. Let me open this up. I want to, wow. Oh my God. You know, when I'm excited like that, you know I like the product. Wow, this is pretty. Look at that. Where is it? Right there. That is nice. That is really pretty. I don't know how it will look on the lid by itself. I may have to experiment with that, but this would look really awesome on a color to experiment and see how the color comes out after applying this on top. This is a really pretty color. I'm really liking that. Doesn't smell like anything, which makes it better. So yeah, what else? What else? Oh yeah, this was, it's okay. This is an eyeliner. This is from Bodyography, and this is the Bodyography eyeliner pencil. Retail value is $14, and this is a vegan formula. So the color that I got was Emerald, which is going to be a green liner. So I'm just gonna swatch it over here. So here is the color of the liner, which it actually does not look too green to me. It actually looks more of like, it looks more like a bright turquoise color almost. It's not really exactly blue. It's like an aqua throwing into like turquoise. It's not a bad color. And let's see, and the last product that I got was from Glam Glow. And this is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. full size. I'm just gonna open this up to show you guys. Throw away that box over there. So wow, this is a big size. So this is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Retail value is $28. Gentle, make it bubbly, daily conditioner, gel cleanser, is effective, cleanses skin, dissolves makeup, amino acids, condition, vegan formula, removes impurities, soap, fragrance, and SLS free. All skin types approved. So I am actually looking forward to using this because my present cleanser is actually low. So is this open? Yeah. It really doesn't even smell like anything. It's a clear, it's nice. Yeah, it's a nice little gel thing, as you can see. There it is. And it doesn't smell like anything. It's scent free, I guess. Did it say that there? Look, it doesn't matter. So yeah, so this is the color. Not the color, the face wash. So that's it, guys. You saw the Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy, and that was my first one. What are my thoughts on the Glam Bag Plus? I don't know yet. I kind of felt that the Glam Bag Plus, and I know it's my first one, you know, but I kind of felt like this was kind of like opening up a regular BoxyCharm box. You know what I mean? Like the Glam Bag Plus is supposed to be, to me, it's supposed to like blow you away. Like when I get the Boxy Luxe, when I open it, like, you know, my eyes light up and I'm like so happy, you know, with the exception of, I think it was last month where I wasn't too crazy about the box, but the other boxes that I had gotten in the past, I was pretty excited about the products that I received. And not that the products were bad in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. They were actually pretty okay. I didn't really have any complaints. I just kind of felt like, I don't know, maybe I psyched myself up. I really wanted to be wowed with the box because I've been so disappointed with the regular Ipsy bag. You know what I mean? So I canceled the Ipsy bag to get the Glam Bag Plus, and I kind of feel like it's just a BoxyCharm box. You know what I mean? So if it's gonna be like that, I'd rather just cancel the Glam Bag Plus because it's kind of like I'm getting BoxyCharm twice a month. You know what I mean? Well, the Glam Bag Plus, it's actually not once a month. It's seasonal, just not seasonal. It's every like 2 or 3 months. I'll put everything below. I can't really think right now, but it's kind of, I don't know, that's kind of what I think. So the products aren't bad, but my advice, if you're kind of thinking on whether to do BoxyCharm or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, honestly, I think you should probably go with the BoxyCharm. I just think that you would be more satisfied with the products that they provide. And then when you get the Boxy Luxe, the products that they provide there are really, really nice. They're really, I mean, almost phenomenal, the products that I get. Nothing wrong with the Glam Bag Plus. I just kind of feel like it should have been a little more of the wow factor, being that it's, you know, a tier up from the regular Ipsy bag. So that's about it. It will be up to you which one you want. That's just my personal opinion. Again, this is my first Glam Bag Plus box from Ipsy. So I'm going to let the subscription sit a little more, and I'm going to wait for the next box to come in and see if maybe I'm wowed a little bit next month. You know what I mean? I want to give it a fair shot. So I'm gonna wait, and when I get the next box, then I'll go over it with you guys. And definitely when the Boxy Luxe comes in, I'm definitely gonna share that one with you. So thank you guys for watching this video and watching me, you know, swatch and unfold and talk and all that stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night, and adios.